Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by collecting exact details: Tinytask version, the GitHub repo name, branch, and the file path you expect. Once done, verify you have network access from the machine running Tinytask and note any proxies or corporate firewalls that could rewrite requests. Make sure you can sign in to GitHub or access the repository in a browser. This eliminates permission issues early. Begin the debugging process immediately by replicating the 404 in a browser and saving the exact request URL for the next steps. Now inspect the request Tinytask makes. Use browser dev tools, curl, or Fiddler to capture the precise HTTP GET and headers. Once you have that, compare the requested path to the repository tree on GitHub. Git is case-sensitive, so a single uppercase letter can cause a 404. Also check that the URL uses the raw file pattern for GitHub and includes the correct branch name, not a tag or default branch mismatch. Fix any path or branch differences and retry the request. Finally, apply the fixes. Update Tinytask's configured URL to match the raw GitHub path and correct branch, or rename files in the repo to match the requested case. For private repositories, generate a personal access token and configure Tinytask to authenticate. This prevents authenticated 404s. Once changed, validate by fetching the raw URL in a browser and within Tinytask. If you still get a 404, collect logs and HTTP captures and try from a different network or account to isolate caching or permission issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.